Venn diagrams and basic operations on sets. This is very important topic because through Venn diagrams we can learn set theory in a pictorial manner of much better understanding. Okay, now what is Venn diagram? The simple closed figures are used to represent sets is called Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams was first named after the English mathematician John Venn. These Venn diagrams are used by Leonard Euler, a great Swiss mathematician. So it is called Venn-Euler diagrams or Venn diagrams. It is also used to illustrate simple set relationships in probability, logic, statistics, linguistics, and computer science. Basically, Venn diagrams is a way of representing the relationships between sets. This diagram consists of rectangle and closed curves, usually circles. In this Venn diagram, universal set is represented U and normal sets are represented like A, B, C and so on. See, here two situations. In first situation, here U is a universal set and A is a normal set here. Here U is equal to set of 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 0. See, universal set means it consists all the elements in the rectangular box. Okay, here A can be written as like 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. A consists of 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. So it can be written as A subset of U. Okay. Next, second situation. U is a universal set here. In this, B is inside A and A is inside U. So it can be written as B inside A. So B subset of A and A is also B and A are inside U. So B subset of A subset of U. Now let us try to understand through one example. One rectangular box. So it is U. Here set B and this is A. So see, 5, 6, 7. Okay. B consists only one element, that is 4. A consists here 4 also in A and 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 and U consists 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So see, every element means B. 4 is in the set A. So B is subset of A here. Next, every element of A is in U. So A subset of U. This is the example. Now let us try to understand the topic basic operations on sets. It is very important concept of set theory. Generally in arithmetic we have 4 fundamental operations like plus, minus, into and divided by. In set similarly we define the operations like union, intersection and difference of sets. See, first one is a union of sets. Union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and B and the common elements being taken only once. The union of A and B is denoted by A union B. The set builder form of A union B is equal to a set of X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. It can be shown in the Venn diagram like this. Now let us try to understand through one example, union of sets. Here given A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find A union B and B union A. Solution. First write the sets A is equal to and B is equal to given sets. Next A union B is equal to write first set. Next second set. A union B is equal to here. We have to write all the elements here, but common elements are never repeated. This is the set A union B. Next we have to find B union A. So write first B after A. So B union A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3, 4, 5 are common elements. In B union A, write only one time common elements taken once here. So we conclude that A union B is equal to B union A. Next, intersection of sets. In this case, here we can write common elements of A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. Intersection can be represented in the opposite symbol of union. The set builder form of A intersection B can be written as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. It can be shown in Venn diagram like this. Next, let us see one example. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, B is equal to set of 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Find A intersection B and B intersection A. Solution. First write given sets A is equal to and B is equal to. Next, we have to write A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to take common elements. Here common elements are 4, 6, 7 common elements. So 4, 6, 7 are common elements, that is A intersection B. Next, calculate B intersection A. First write B set and after A set. Here also common elements are 4, 6, 7. B intersection A is also 4, 6, 7. So we conclude that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Next one is difference of two sets. It means the difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B. Simply we can say that set of all elements of A which are not in B. It is denoted by A minus B. It can be written as in the set builder form A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Now B minus A means set of all elements of B which are not in A. It can be written as B minus A is equal to X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. It can be shown in Venn diagrams. A minus B is like this and B minus A is like this. Very important topic, symmetric difference of sets. Symmetric difference of sets denoted by A delta B. A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A, or another formula is there. A delta B is equal to A union B minus B union A. It can be shown in Venn diagram like this. Here common part is empty. Only A shaded and only B shaded. This is A delta B. Now let us do one example here. Here given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. So first we have to write A is equal to given set and B is equal to given set. Now here we have to find A minus B. So A minus B is equal to, first write the set A, after write the set B. Here common elements are 3, and 4, 4, 5, 5. Here common elements are cancelled in both sets. So write remaining elements are here 1, 2 in the set A. Next B minus A. B minus A means first we have to write the set B after set A. Here common elements are 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Common elements are cancelled here, and write remaining elements in the set B is the first set, that is 6, 7, 8. So here we conclude that A minus B is not equal to B minus A here. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Next one is complement of set. If A is any set, then the set of all those elements which are not in A is a complement of A, and of A, and is denoted by A complement or A dash. Here one important note, A dash is equal to mu minus A. Second one is A union A dash is equal to mu, and A intersection A dash is equal to 5. These are important properties. Now let us now understand some of the properties in union and intersection. These are very important. First property here, A union phi is equal to A. A intersection U is equal to A. U means universal set here. Phi means empty set. A union U is equal to A. A intersection phi is equal to phi. Okay, next property, second property, idempotent properties. A union A is equal to A, like A intersection A is equal to A. Third property, commutative properties. A union B is equal to B union A, and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Fourth property, associative property. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Fifth property, distributive properties. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. These are the properties of union and intersection. Based on these properties, we will do exercise 2.2 problems. Thank you.